microphone. Black and white. Very affordable. Let's check what's in the box.
Woo!
It comes with the manual user guide. USB charging port. Trendy earphone case. Digital display. Type-C charger. Air cushion earbuds. Half-in-ear wear. Noise cancelling. Good quality sound. Immersive music experience. Bluetooth chip 5.3. More powerful function in one. High quality microphone. Using time 3 to 4 hours. Transmission distance 10 meter. Battery capacity 30 mAh. Overall, I really love this earphone. You can purchase this through your online shop in your country. TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee for PH. Don't forget to subscribe to keep you posted. For more reviews videos like this, thank you.